Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to assemble a miner's lamp. So you have the main base right here, made out of brass. It says on the plate, don't know if you can read that, E. Thomas and Williams Ltd. Makers Aberdeen. Right, so this is a Welsh miner's lamp used in the mines. Right, so you got your filter, put that upside down and drop that in, so it looks like that. Yeah, just drop it in, and then this goes like that, I believe. And then you got your glass base to protect the flame, which if I just turn that around, you can see there that it has something on there, and it says 56.5 MP British MFP 67. Yes, I'm not making that. No, I'm not making that up. Alright, so you put that in there very carefully because this can break. Alright, now you get this part. I don't know what it's for, but you put that on top like that, and then make sure the glass is properly aligned, and you just twist. Right, sorry for my camera's a bit thing, but you just twist. As you can see, twist. Glass is still moving, so you need to do it until the glass stops moving, or until you can't move it anymore. Right, that is completely inside. Alright, so let's put that there. Now, that's where you put the paraffin in to light the lamp. There's none in there at the moment. Alright, this is the wick. Alright, so drop that in there. Wrong way. Drop that in there. Takes a few attempts. If I can get it in there, it would be very good. Yes. Alright, then you put that on. Alright, we'll just make sure something. Alright, so this little bit at the bottom controls that. Alright, now that moves the wick up and down. Okay, so your lamp, screw that on. Alright, oh, doesn't seem to want to go in. There, right. And then put that on. You don't have to take the handle off, but you can if you want. Alright, that's how you assemble, and but yeah, that's how you assemble lamp. Okay, just to show you, right, the way you disassemble it is the exact same way. So you just take that off, and yeah. But in the lamp room, they wouldn't like. So basically, the miner in the lamp room would just unscrew this part of the lamp, and then take the wick out and put the paraffin in, put the wick back in, screw it back on after lighting it. So they'll take it off, take the wick out, fill it up with paraffin, and then they would light it and just put it back in. Right? Warning, this does get cuts on your hands. I don't know if you could see, but there is cut. Alright, there's 2 cuts on that finger. Yeah. So, yeah, thank you for watching. More facts on coal mines soon, because it's not just going to be a gaming channel anymore. It's just going to be like a history/gaming channel. Alright. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and goodbye.